Hi guys, welcome back to Pham Legend channel, and today I'm gonna show you one of the clean Subaru STI 2017, and the owner name is Michael Casillas, and the car really clean before, and he hit a deer, so our pleasure to help him bring the car back to the road. So we replace the front end, the radar support and everything, all the front end, hood, bumper, fenders, and repaint to match the paint. Like we have to blend the door out and put up everything together. And this guy, he's buy a lot of stuff carbon fiber, like the hood, the grill, and everything is carbon fiber. So very nice car. So the video gonna be a little bit longer than most of the video, and please stay tuned and stay on the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell button for the next video pop up.
Girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me.
Here, Michael gonna test drive it. Let's see, you go that way? Yeah. You just feel the blow up valve already, right? Shoo!
Feels good. Been too long.
Too long, huh?
Too long.
How many months?
5-6 months almost.
Dang. Fully disassembled so we can paint it. Fender, bumper, headlight, all off. So we're gonna sand here, blend to the door. Blend to the door so it will be matching color. you know. Seal it and paint it. It's about to get painted. Sealer added already. It's first clear coat already, so not done. Probably add another 2 layers on it. This will be a shinier and solid. Okay, the clear is final already. So very shiny, very shiny now. So now we have to blend the door out. So we'll be matching the color. Stay tuned. Time to blend the door so even with the fender and the bumper, both doors will be blended now. So the paint is already done. We blend from out here to here. So for matching the color. Jeez. Time to put everything back together. Fender, bumper. Okay, time to put in back, everything back. All kind of parts here. Oh, jeez. Fender are in. So, both the fender need to bolt up. Everything is assembled. Need a front bumper to start. Wait for the grill. Okay, so everything complete. Put it back together. Everything. Just put that for him too. And I just custom make the radiator bracket for temporary. So let's drive it to see it drive straight or not. So let's go.
car is still drive straight and still very good. Alignment is still okay. So customer gonna pick up today is Michael. Okay, we're gonna test drive in here in the first gear. That blowout valve is nice. Ooch. Yeah, I drive really good. Just a little bit of a test drive before I let the customer take it. So we'll drive a little bit and then so see. Now it's on the third gear and fourth gear right now. So and then drive. It's good to drive back to the shop just a little bit and check if there's any leaks or anything else, because this is just we changed the front end of it and we put a new radiator, new AC condenser and everything, like the whole front clip. So we have to check it. The front end of this 2017 Subaru WRX SCI is complete. So carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber grill, everything put back together and it's ready for customer pick it up. And the color, it turned out pretty good. We paint the fender, bumper, we blend the door from out here and then clear coat the whole thing out. So the color is a lot of matching, pretty good on the silver here. So let me walk around, let you guys see the whole car. SCI, all-wheel drive, baby. Yeah. Nice, very nice. I love the carbon fiber. I love carbon fiber, man. That's my interest. Let's start up again. Subaru SCI. The hinge is not hooked up yet, so just leave it like that. Very nice car. Very, very nice car. Here, Michael gonna test drive it. Let's see. You go that way? Yeah. You just feel the blow up valve already, right? Shoo!
Feels good. Been too long.
Too long, huh?
Too long.
How many months?
5-6 months almost.
Dang.
Way too long.
I can't park a car like that. But like, I got Tony car parked more than 2 years, man.
Jesus.
You can't even work on it no time. Man, that blow up valve was loud.
Loud as hell.
Yeah.
See, I don't even know how to use this thing.
You know, 27th Street, huh? Woo. See how you shift, man. Is it a pro shifter here or what?
We try. I am out on this one.
That's it? Just go back,
No,
huh?
I'm gonna open up over on that.
Yeah.
On that bridge over there. I was gonna open up over there, but
You can on this road. But you have to take it slowly on that road too, because a lot of cops. Today there's a cop under the bridge.
oh yeah, underneath.
Yeah.
Get to that 35 mark.
Yeah, because the curve. video gonna be long because you know the process of fixing it and everything like that. Woo! Yeah, take it easy on the curve, man. You see, there's a lot of flower over here. See that flower?
Flower.
Yeah, doing that over here. Easy road, that's it. Getting dark already. You got a drive license?
Yeah.
Okay. What the heck? Last time. So this baby gonna leave for now. And we'll be back later for some work, maybe some modification, you know, like tuning, everything like that. So hopefully it's still good. Everything's. This is the second STI this year that we finished the work for a 6-month period. But this one we hold a car for almost a month now, and now it's ready to go. Woo! Pull out very loud.
So how's video? Please hit like, share, subscribe, and the bell button for the next new video that pop up. Car dealership name is Pham Motorsport. So we sell cars here. To contact me, 402-477-0807. Peace. See you next time.